how to add custom thumbnail to YouTube playlist. If you want to change or perhaps remove any thumbnail of your YouTube playlist both on your iPhone and Android, this video is for you. And to get started, make sure you open your YouTube app, in this case not your YouTube Studio but the YouTube app itself. On the bottom right corner, continue to click on the U profile picture, and it's located just on the bottom right corner. Make sure to click it. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. Among the list of menus here, you can see playlists. You can either swipe left to go through all of your playlists, or you can continue to click on view all. This will give you the flexibility to scroll down and go through all your playlists. In this case, I'm interested to change this playlist, which is a playlist I created for my YouTube. So I'll proceed to click on the playlists and allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. As you can rightly see, this is my playlist title, which is YouTube hacks how-to videos, and to change it, you could see this edit icon just beneath the playlist thumbnail. Make sure to click it. A pop-up menu will appear giving you an alternative whether to choose from library, take a photo, or even create with AI. In this case, we're going to click on choose from library. So this will take you to the gallery of your phone. Make sure to locate the thumbnail that you want to use as your playlist. So I'm going to locate on the top left corner and click on this 𝗕𝗲. Then I'm going to scroll down and click on images. Then with this selected, I'm going to make sure to click on Telegram. This is where the thumbnail for my YouTube playlist is. So I'm going to continue to click on the image that I want to use as the custom thumbnail for my playlist. So make sure to select it. After you select it, you could see the current thumbnail, which is YouTube most viewed videos. And once I'm setting with the thumbnail, I'm going to continue to click on done. Allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. This is going to take a while depending on your network. Voila, you have successfully changed the thumbnail of your YouTube playlist. It's pretty simple and easy. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.